Hello everyone, it's Rose from Korean class. Today we're gonna study very short Korean words. But before the start, I'm gonna show you how to make Korean letter. First of all, we need one consonant and basic vowels. So this is consonant 치읓. 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 Consonant plus basic vowel is 치읓 plus 아 is 차. 아 is A and 치읓 is CH. So this is 차. Right? And 치읓 plus 야 is 차. 치읓 is CH and 야 is 차. And 치읓 plus 어 is 처. 처. And 치읓 plus 여 is 쳐. 쳐. And 치읓 plus 이 is 치. 치. This is 아, 야, 어, 여, 이 is writing next to consonants, and at the bottom these are we're writing under the consonant. So 치읓 plus 오 is 초. 초. And 치읓 plus 요 is 초. 초. Right? 치읓 plus 우 is 추. 추. And 치읓 plus 유 is 추. 추. And 치읓 plus 으 is 츠. 츠. You got it? So 치읓 is your pronunciation is CH. So CH plus 아, CH plus 야, CH plus 어, CH plus 여, CH plus 이, 차, 차, 처, 처, 치. And CH plus O is 초, CH plus 요 is 초, 치읓 plus 우 is 추, 치읓 plus 유 is 추, and CH plus 으 is 치. You understand? Then let's have a look at these three words. 자음과 모음을 더해요. 자음 is consonant like 치읓. 자음 is 기역, 치읓, 치읓, 미음, 미음, 치읓. These are 자음 consonants. And 모음 is vowel, basic vowels. 모음 is 오, 우, 이, 아, 아. These are 모음. So 자음 is 치읓, 모음 is 아야, 어여, 이, 오요, 우유, 으. These are 모음, right? And 더해요 means plus. So 한글, Korean letter is consonant, 자음 plus vowels, 모음 is complete Korean letter. So let's have a look. First one, 기억 plus O. 기억 is G and O is O. So this is 고. 고. And 치읓 is CH and U is U. So this is 추. 추. 고추. 고추 is pepper in Korean. Pepper. 고추. 고추. And second one is 치읓. CH. E is I. So it's 치. 치. And 미음 is M. I is A. So this is 마. 치마. 치마. 치마 is skirt. Right. Skirt is 치마. 치마. And last one, 미음 is M. I is A. So it's 마. And 치읓 CH. I is A. So this is 차. 마차. 마차. Right. 마차 is like horse. This is horse. Horse-drawn carriage. Carriage. Horse-drawn carriages is 마차. 마차. So I'm gonna speak everything one more time. I recommend you should speak together with me. 차, 차, 처, 처, 치, 초, 초, 추, 추, 치. And 3 words. 고추 is pepper in Korean is 고추. 고추. And skirt in Korean is 치마. 치마. I really like the 치마 more than pants. 치마. Also, yeah, pants. We studied before. Pants is 바지. 바지. 비읍 is B and I is A. 치읓 is J and E is E. Pants is 바지 in Korean and skirt in Korean is 치마. And last one, horse-drawn carriages in Korean, 마차. 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 So that's it for me today. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you tomorrow, guys.